Hello Garden Tube. Spring is here and now it's time to get serious in the garden. This is just a little teaser of a before so you can see how terrible it is, and then I'll be doing small videos while I clean it up. So you see my greenhouse in there's got some problems. Got all these sticky things here that I actually found out are edible. Yeah, so I just want to show you this disaster zone before I get started cleaning it. Here's my other greenhouse. See that sticky crap everywhere. And yeah, so obviously I did nothing this winter. But look at those calibrachoas. So yeah, look at my weed garden. It's just full of weeds instead of... Oh my goodness, look at my apple trees alive. I did not see that coming. And my peach tree's alive over there. Anyway, you see this hot mess, so this is going to be fun. I'm probably going to trim this jasmine right now, because it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, there's more, so don't fret. We got all of this. That finally bloomed, though, my Laura petalum. I couldn't remember the name. Anyway. So yeah, somehow my succulents survived the winter, even though they were just right here all winter. And my creeping fig is starting to get the big leaves, and I need to start spreading it out like I want. My jasmine is coming along nice there. That's the star jasmine. And yeah, so as you see, there's a hot mess here. But I'll be doing videos here and there, cleaning it up for spring.